We're inspecting the water stops. This is a very, very, very important part of the process. The water stops have been installed with polyurethane, as I explained to you in an earlier video. Now, very important detail is that once the water stop has been installed with the polyurethane, is that the waterproofing comes up and over the water stop itself. This ensures that it is 100% waterproof and that there is no possible way that there can be any breaches. Same goes for the water stop at the entrance to the room. Well, that concludes the waterproof inspection and the waterproof installation process. We now have peace of mind that the waterproof and the membrane has been installed correctly and to the building code. We're going to give this about another 24 hours to dry. As I showed you before, there's still a couple of spots where it's a little bit sticky, a little bit tacky. So we're just going to keep these heaters in here for another 24 hours and we'll be ready to go for floor tiles tomorrow.